Mastering English Pronouns. Subject versus Object Pronouns. Hello there! Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of English grammar. We'll focus specifically on a common area of confusion: subject pronouns versus object pronouns. By the end of this video, you'll understand what these are, how they're used, and you'll be able to avoid common mistakes when using them. Let's start with subject pronouns. These pronouns replace the subject of a sentence. They are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Here's an example. She loves to dance. In this sentence, she is the subject pronoun. The pronoun she is doing the action, loving to dance. Now, let's move on to object pronouns. These pronouns replace the object of a sentence. They are me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Look at this example. He invited me to the party. Here, me is the object pronoun. The pronoun me is receiving the action, being invited. It can be confusing to distinguish between subject and object pronouns, especially since some pronouns, like you and it, are used as both subject and object pronouns. Here's a common mistake. Incorrect. Me and my friend went to the cinema. Correct. My friend and I went to the cinema. In the correct sentence, we're using I as subject pronoun instead of me, because I is doing the action, going to the cinema. Remember, the key to mastering this is practice. Keep writing sentences. Try replacing nouns with subject and object pronouns, and make sure to check your work. With time, it'll become second nature. And that's a wrap on subject pronouns versus object pronouns. We hope this video helps clear up any confusion and strengthens your understanding of English grammar. Remember, everyone makes mistakes while learning, so don't be too hard on yourself. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll continue to improve. Happy learning!